Okay, hello again, real fans and reactors. This time I'm taking a look at YTP Tender Moments of the Tender Engines, created by KeeperOfBeans. I know this is a pretty old YTP, and I know KeeperOfBeans also has plenty other Thomas-related YTPs that I'd be interested to check out. So for now, I want to start with this one. And without further ado, let's get started. Thomas the O-Face. Okay, why are you squared up like this? The intro just gonna keep on.
Gordon was resting sideways. Hello, old fat face.
Alright, let me go ahead and restart that. My volume was not loud enough there.
Gordon was resting sideways.
Sideways.
Hello, old fat face. Whistled
Whoa.
Henry. She exploded that hen. She's speaking to me like that.
He said.
She exploded that hen. She's speaking to me like that. All jams with
never had an
accident. Be careful, Henry. You're not pulling the
What's wrong
flying
with your
kipper now.
face?
Mind you keep on the rails today. The driver and fireman of the fat controller were snorting coke in the brake. God, this is good coke. Hell, yes,
What
said the fireman. And with snorting coke in the brake van. God, this is.
So they're apparently doing a certain substance in the brake van, and apparently Topham is dressed like a pimp. Seriously, what is this?
Is good coke. Hell, yes, said the fireman. It is good.
And
Henry
we're dead.
crash. Gordon, a special train's coming and where to pull it? Is it coaches or trucks? Or Gordon? Or is it coaches or Kevin? It is Kevin, said his driver. Gordon's fire was slow, so Edward had to push Gordon. Oh, I'm blue, said Edward. Gordon was Gordon. I'll show them. 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 She telephoned. Once an engine attached to a train was afraid of an engine. Once an engine attached to a train. 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 Once an engine attached to a train.
Get over it already, come on.
The engine's name is Henry.
You don't say.
Oh. Gordon would say poop, poop, poop. Hello. And Edward would say peep, peep. Serves you right. And Gordon would say poop, poop, poop. You poop, poop. And Edward would say, I'm blue.
Jamming out with Steady Eddie right here.
And Gordon would say, Kevin, it's a fat douche. The
Whoa.
fat controller was chatting up some little boys on the telephone.
Oh.
I can make it, he said. Cool.
Get him out of here. He shouldn't be running the right way.
Doesn't he look cool? They began to sing. Silly old Gordon. It's a Poor Henry had answer, and his fire had gone out for tea. But I think he deserved his punishment. Don't you?
I don't know.
I'll show them. I'll show them. I'll show them. I'll show them.
I'm chopping up some
What
melon.
the?
Telephone.
Well, okay then. That was Tender Moments of the Tender Engines. As always, everybody, let me know what you think down below. Original video will be in the description as always. Take care, everyone, and I hope to see you next time.